There are a lot of fake reviews out there about ClickBank University, which is entirely not true. It's funny that fake reviews like these are still here in 2020. This is a truly honest review and I want to help you see if this course is right for you, but you have to view the entire video to know. Anyways, ClickBank University is a legit product that's designed to help you make your very first dollar online and scale past 4 to 5 figures monthly. That said, there is a major drawback, but first, let's understand more about the product. ClickBank itself is a marketplace that connects publishers, affiliate marketers, and product owners, vendors, which means that they take a cut from all the product sales occurred on their platform. This means that theoretically, the more the number of successful affiliates and vendors joining ClickBank, the more money it's going to make. That's exactly what ClickBank University is designed to do. That said, the biggest flaw of this product, in my opinion, is that there is no training on free traffic generation strategies. All the training is focused on paid traffic. Traffic is an integral part of every successful online campaign and most of us prefer to start with free traffic. To be fair though, I implemented the paid traffic strategy and was able to make around $1,000 in around 2 weeks. It did require some upfront investment, but the ROI is great. It's also easier to scale. Most courses will charge you over a few $1,000s for the training provided in ClickBank University, but now you can get it for just $47 per month, simply because they need more successful individuals to join their platform. On top of that, they recently revamped the content of the course extensively, hence the name, ClickBank University 2.0. Overall, I find that ClickBank University 2.0 is for you if, again, this is just a summary. I will share about my experience with this course below. You are just starting in the online world, making less than $10,000 per month. You are looking for quicker results, make your first dollar within 2 weeks or so. You don't mind spending some money to drive traffic. You are interested in creating your digital product. Note, there is a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. Please click the link below for more information. Thank you for watching.